Just put these ribs in the smoker. It's 11:30ish. They'll be ready at 6. I'll give them 3 hours of smoke and then wrap them up in tin foil. After that I'll give them 2 hours in there, and then after that 1 hour with the sauce on it to let that sauce set and bark up a bit. So yeah, that's the plan. Yum yum. Rightio whānau, time to take these out. Look at those. They've had 3 hours of smoking. Next step is to wrap them in paper and tin foil and give them another 2 hours of cooking. Look at those. And give them another 2 hours. It's going to be good. 2 hours wrapped up in foil. Bit of greaseproof paper there to keep them nice and moist. Let them cook again 105 degrees for another 2 hours, and then we will baste them up with my special barbecue sauce, and yeah, we'll see you when we're doing that. Anyway, yum. Right, well, they've had 2 hours on the wrapped up in the greaseproof paper and tin foil, and now it's time to get this lovely sticky glaze. Basically barbecue sauce, bit of my homebrew bourbon, some brown sugar, a little bit of chipotle sauce, just to put a bit of spice in it. The brown sugar helps get it real sticky. A good thick coating on these, the more the better. What this will do is it'll glaze up, creating nice sticky ribs. Oh. Look at that. I'll unwrap the second batch and do the same. Look at that. Again, these guys will get the glaze and then straight back into the smoker for another hour. Oh, look at those guys. Oh. Yeah, so they're glazed up. They're going back in the smoker. No more smoke, just heat. 105 degrees. See you in an hour. Yum. Oh, look at those. And the corn. Right, let's get them out, see what they look like. Oh yeah. They look alright to me. The sauce is sticky as. Wish you were here with me, eh? These are fucking good. Oh, they're just falling to pieces, some of them. Look at that. Oh, oh, there's a wee one for me. Those are the best ribs I've ever done. Six-hour cook. Well, you've seen every step of it now. Still got it stuck to my face. Anyway, have a go. Make some. Let me know how it works for you. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time, whānau. Ka kite. Bye.